Triple talaq is banned in at least 20 countries. And now it's the Indian government that is all set to oppose the controversial Muslim practice. The central government has decided to oppose the controversial divorce route during a hearing in the Supreme Court next week.
The question is today, as the system stands, with the triple talaq, by just the stroke of a pen or the stroke of a statement or the stroke of a minute, the relationships can be severed, leaving the woman normally, as the case would be, destitute, because she would probably not be employed, otherwise having financial resources of her own. So just on the saying of a party, if you just forget men and women for a moment, just on the saying of a party, you actually dissolve and leave the other person at ransom, so to say. I mean, where is the question of any kind of less emotiveness or more emotiveness, but the question of autonomy. The point is that allow women to have a choice.
The Apex Court is hearing a batch of petitions on the conflict between fundamental guarantees in the Constitution and personal laws in the country.
Now we are going to file a particular habeas corpus petition for the Calcutta High Court for whereabout the 4 children, and the main petition, meanwhile the main petition we will fight in Supreme Court itself, that is triple talaq case. I remind the people of India that this is the high point of time, as Honorable Supreme Court held and also indicated in the Constitution of India, we are one, we need a uniform civil code. Then this all can be cured up to some extent.
The centre's proposed move has irked Muslim religious leaders who say triple talaq has been highly misunderstood.
शरीयत के अनुसार जो है एक ही साथ जो है 3 तलाक देना जो है ये शरीयत ने इसको शरीयत में ये निषेध है ये, लेकिन चूँकि 3 तलाक का पति जो है वो स्वामी होता है, उसको जो है अधिकार मिला होता है, तो ये शरीयत के ख़िलाफ़ होने के बावजूद भी इसको जो है वो मानिए जो है वो शरीयत ने ये किया है कि ये जो है इसको माना जाएगा। 3 तलाक अगर आदमी ने गलत तरीके से दिया है तो उसको माना जाएगा, लेकिन यह है कि जो आदमी जो है गलत काम करता है उस पर रोक लगाने के लिए आप जो है तरीक़े निकाल सकते हैं, उसको दंडित कर सकते हैं या जो है वित्तीय दंड जो है दिया जा सकता है, कोई भी तरीका हो सकता है, लेकिन ये जो है इसको असंवैधानिक जो है वो करार देना जो है वो सही नहीं है वो।
The centre's approach of opposing the triple talaq as a violation of the fundamental rights of Muslim women has come as a strong move and is posing a strong challenge for the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, who have been assertive that these laws cannot be rewritten. Jessica Taneja for WION in New Delhi.